Hello, this is your private ASMR session with Julien. Many of you viewers have asked me to make ASMR videos so you could relax and enjoy my voice, perhaps learn a little something, have a little fun, hear a nice little story. So I have selected a very short story for you here about a wooden doll that thinks about the meaning of human life. It was written by Mrs. W.K. Clifford back in 1886. I obtained that story through the Gutenberg project, link in the description. Fantastic little very short story book. Very short stories and verses for children by Mrs. W.K. Clifford. So, let's get to our story. The wooden doll had no peace. My dears, if you ever are a doll, hope to be a rag doll, or a wax doll, or a doll full of sawdust apt to ooze out, or a china doll easy to break. Anything in the world rather than a good strong wooden doll with a painted head and movable joints, for that is indeed a sad thing to be. Many a time the poor wooden doll wished it were a tin train, or a box of soldiers, or a woolly lamb, or anything on earth rather than what it was. It never had any peace. It was taken up and put down at all manners of odd moments, made to go to bed when the children went to bed, to get up when they got up, be bathed when they were bathed, dressed when they were dressed, taken out in all weathers, stuffed into their satchels when they went to school, left about in corners, dropped on stairs, forgotten, neglected, bumped, banged, broken, glued together, anything and everything it suffered, until many a time it said sadly enough to its poor little self, I might as well be a human being at once and be done with it. And then it fell to thinking about human beings. What strange creatures they were, always going about, though none carried them save when they were very little, always sleeping and waking and eating and drinking and laughing and crying and talking and walking and doing this and that and the other, never resting for long together, or seeming as if they could be still for even a single day. They are always making a noise, thought the wooden doll. They are always talking and walking about, always moving things and doing things, building up and pulling down and making and unmaking forever, and never are they quiet. It is lucky that we are not all human beings, or the world would be worn out in no time, and there would not be a corner left in which to rest a poor doll's head. And that was your story for today. Come back another day, and I will be there for you. Thank you.